morning, guys. I hope that you all are doing well. It is currently the morning and it's Friday morning. It's raining outside and pretty gloomy. So today my plan is to share with you guys what we eat in a day and take you along and clean parts of our little house. If I don't work out the first thing in the morning, then I won't work out at all the rest of the day. So that is what I'm going to do right now. And then I'll catch you guys when I get out of the shower to make the smoothie. Okay, so I'm freshly out of the shower and I just put some mascara on and some eyebrows. And now we're going to make the charcoal smoothie. I'm so excited. We had this yesterday and it's so good. It makes me feel like so good inside. So we're going to make it again and I'm going to show you guys the ingredients of what we put in it. Okay, so the first ingredient that we use is 2 cups of blueberries, 1 frozen banana, which is like 4 or 5 chunks, like slices, 500 milliliters of water, and 1 teaspoon of the activated charcoal, and mix. Okay, and this is what the smoothies look like. They are pretty dark and black. It's kind of like a deep blue, but mostly black. Okay, so right now I'm just enjoying my smoothie and I'm going to be writing in my journal for today. I like to write in here my to-do list and things that I'm grateful for and just anything that's really on my mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'm still doodling and drinking my smoothie. Okay, so it's been like an hour since we've had our smoothies and now I'm going to make some banana pancakes. I'm so excited. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients of how I make them. So I already mashed a banana and then we're going to add 1 cup of almond milk. This is a lot better in this angle. We have mashed banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, then 2 tablespoons of sugar, honestly, I'm not even gonna measure out the vanilla, just gonna. Now we're gonna add the dry ingredients. So it's asking for 1.5 cups of flour. This has been my recent favorite flour right now. It is the gluten-free white gold. It's seriously my favorite right now. I think I bought in like 4 bags of it and I should really I feel like go through one of these bags every week. I need to really stock up on it because it's really good. I love it. So I'm going to add the flour into the mixture. Just going to mix that in. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I use this kind. And then for some cinnamon, I just do however much I feel that's good. Okay, so once everything looks like this, then we can start making some pancakes. And before I start making them, I wanted to add some chocolate chips. Add some fun to our pancakes. Okay, so these cook pretty fast, but I'm using a 1/4 cup to make the pancakes. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so the pancakes are all done, and they look so good. We are gonna go eat now. and I'll catch up with you guys when I start to clean. Okay, so we're done eating breakfast, and I'm going to take my B12 supplement. I just put that under my tongue, but before I do that, I'm going to take my Once Daily Women's Probiotic. I had to take amoxicillin for my tooth that was hurting, so I thought since amoxicillin is pretty harsh on your stomach, I thought I'd start taking a probiotic to restore my gut. Okay, so I'm outside in our backyard. The birds are going crazy and it's so bright out here, but I wanted to update you guys. I was gonna film in the house, but Keith's playing a video game and he's a little loud, so I thought I'd come out here. It's very quiet. I took a little nap. It's like 1:30ish, I guess. I'm pretty full still from the pancakes that we had, so I'm not really hungry for lunch yet. But I thought I would make my chai tea, and then I'm gonna start cleaning the living room and the kitchen. I'll probably finish up the dishes first. We're cooking so much lately, so there's always a lot of dishes. So it's a little bit later now. It's around 3:07 and Keith and I are starting to feel hungry now. So we are going to make some Amy's soup. I'm going to go with the golden lentil and he's going to go with the southern vegetable. I was originally planning on making a salad, but it doesn't really sound that great right now to me. So we're just going to go for some soup and we're going to eat that. And I think we're going to take a little walk outside around the neighborhood and get out for a little bit and get some fresh air. As I'm waiting for the soup to be done, I have these little warmer, so once the bowl gets hot from the soup or the food, we put this on top so you can hold the bowl and you don't burn your hands. Keith has this cool Raiders one and polka dots inside. I have this tan one with these like campers, trailer camper thing. Here you go, babe.
Thank you.
Welcome. We're on our walk, getting some fresh air. Feels really nice. It might be windy. So Keith and I are back from our walk. We got back like 30 minutes ago, and it's kind of chilly in our house. Even though we have the heater on, we just want to get a little bit more cozy and warm. So we're gonna make some tea, and I'll show you guys what I'm making. Keith really likes the kava stress relief tea, so that's what I made him in this cup. And then I really like the chamomile with lavender, and that's what I have in my little mug. So we're gonna put the water in now. The kava tea smells so good. So we're having a little snack, and Keith made some fries. And what do you have here?
Ketchup, La Victoria, and barbecue sauce.
Awesome. And then I'm gonna get some avocado for myself. I love avocado. I am feeling so unmotivated. Is that the word? Yes. I don't want to make dinner. I'm not really even that hungry, but I know that I will be later and I'm gonna want something easy to eat. So I'm just gonna make spaghetti and be done for the night. I'm gonna get a pot out for the pasta and another saucepan pot for the sauce and the gardein crumbles. This is the pasta I absolutely love. It's so good and it's gluten-free. Alright, so we have a few more minutes left till this is done. I think I was supposed to put the gardein crumbles first, but I put the sauce first, but it's okay. I'll just make sure that everything's heated pretty nicely and everything's warm. So pasta's here, and I'm gonna put some nutritional yeast on top. There we go, dinner served.